Have you ever looked at the world of crypto and thought, I want in, but where do I even start? You see the headlines, you hear the stories of people making fortunes, and it feels like everyone else is speaking a secret language. You download the Gemini app, you've created an account, but now what? The charts look like a roller coaster, the terms are confusing, and you're afraid to press the wrong button and lose all your money. Don't worry, you're not alone. The crypto world can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. I'm here to give you a roadmap, a set of strategies and tips specifically for beginners using Gemini, to help you navigate this new and exciting landscape with confidence. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about building a solid foundation, managing risk, and making informed decisions so you can participate in the crypto revolution responsibly. Before we dive into the nuts and bolts of trading, let's talk about the most important thing you can do: educate yourself. Gemini has a fantastic resource called Cryptopedia. It's an encyclopedia of crypto terms and concepts, and it's free. Before you make a single trade, spend some time there. Learn what Bitcoin is, what Ethereum is, what a blockchain is. Understand the difference between a hot wallet and a cold wallet, and the various types of cryptocurrencies like stablecoins. Knowing the fundamentals will give you a significant advantage and prevent you from falling for common scams or making impulsive decisions. Think of it as studying for a test before you take it. Now, let's talk about your investment philosophy. For a beginner, the single most effective strategy is the HODL method. This is crypto slang for hold on for dear life. It's a long-term strategy where you buy a cryptocurrency you believe in and hold it for an extended period, regardless of short-term price fluctuations. The crypto market is notoriously volatile. Prices can swing wildly in a single day, and for a beginner, this can be incredibly stressful. HODL removes the emotional component from trading. Instead of trying to time the market, you focus on the long-term potential of the assets you've chosen. This strategy is perfect for those who don't have the time or desire to monitor the market constantly. Next, you need to think about what you're going to buy. As a beginner, it's wise to start with the blue chips of the crypto world. These are the large-cap cryptocurrencies with the largest market capitalization. I'm talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum. These assets are generally more stable and have a longer track record than smaller, more speculative coins. They are the foundation of the crypto market. While they may not have the same explosive growth potential as some newer altcoins, they also carry less risk. Start by allocating a significant portion of your portfolio to these established assets. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can begin to explore smaller, more volatile coins, but always remember to keep a diversified portfolio. Speaking of diversification, don't put all your eggs in one basket. The crypto market has thousands of different coins and tokens. While it's tempting to put all your money into the next big thing you read about, that's a recipe for disaster. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies. This doesn't mean you have to buy 100 different coins. It simply means you shouldn't be 100% invested in a single asset. A diversified portfolio can help mitigate risk. If one asset takes a dive, the others might be performing well, balancing out your overall losses. On Gemini, you can easily buy and sell a wide range of assets, so building a diversified portfolio is simple. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of making your first purchases. One of the most powerful strategies for a beginner is called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. This is a method where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the asset's price. For example, you could decide to invest $50 in Bitcoin every week. Some weeks, you'll buy when the price is high, and some weeks, you'll buy when the price is low. Over time, this averages out your purchase price and reduces your risk of buying in at the very peak of the market. DCA is an incredible tool for beginners because it eliminates the pressure of trying to time the market perfectly. Gemini makes this incredibly easy with their recurring buys feature. You can set up a schedule to automatically purchase a specific amount of crypto on a daily, weekly, twice monthly, or monthly basis. It's a set-it-and-forget-it way to build your crypto holdings over time. Another essential tip for beginners is to always use two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Your Gemini account is your entry point to the crypto world, and you need to protect it like you would your bank account. 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, like a code from an app on your phone, in addition to your password. Gemini requires 2FA for all accounts, and you should make sure you're using it correctly. A good rule of thumb is to never give out your 2FA code to anyone, for any reason. Your crypto is your responsibility, and security starts with you. Now, a word about risk management. This is the one thing that separates successful long-term investors from those who get burned. Only invest what you can afford to lose. The crypto market is volatile, and there is a real possibility that the value of your investment could go to zero. Never put in money that you need for rent, groceries, or bills. Start small, get comfortable with the process, and then consider increasing your investment over time, but always within your means. The goal is to build wealth over the long term, not to make a quick buck and risk financial ruin. Finally, let's touch on the different trading interfaces on Gemini. As a beginner, you'll likely start with the standard, user-friendly interface. This is perfect for simple buys and sells. However, as you become more comfortable, you might want to explore the ActiveTrader platform. ActiveTrader offers more advanced tools, like candlestick charts, order books, and different order types, and it also has a lower fee structure. Don't feel pressured to use it right away. The standard interface is more than enough to get you started and execute all the strategies we've discussed. But it's good to know that as you grow, Gemini has a platform that can grow with you. In summary, as a beginner on Gemini, your strategy should be simple and focused on the long term. Start by educating yourself. Embrace the HODL mentality for your core holdings, focusing on blue-chip assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Diversify your portfolio to spread out your risk. Use the dollar-cost averaging strategy with recurring buys to build your position over time without the stress of market timing. Always prioritize security by using two-factor authentication. Most importantly, only invest what you are willing to lose. This is a marathon, not a sprint. By following these fundamental principles, you can confidently take your first steps into the world of cryptocurrency and begin building a strong foundation for your future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.